How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use SVG image in a print in Bambu Studio. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your browser and simply just search for SGV converter. So in my case, I'm going to be using this one. And of course, you can now import your SVG file. Now to make things easier, let's just go ahead and import our photo right here. This is going to be a generic photo, but of course, you can upload anything you want to. Now, this is not ideal for SVG, but let's just click on the download SVG button. Now head over to Tinkercad, and from here, you then want to click on the import button, and then let's import the file that we just downloaded, which is going to be the SVG file. You have the ability to choose from art or artboard. So let's just select something like artboard right here. Click on import, and then it will import or SVG onto Tinkercad. Now, once that happens, we can then download the file by clicking on the export button, click on STL, select the STL format, and then it will automatically download it onto our device. So the only thing that you need to do is to just head back to Bambu Studio. From here, you then want to click Add Model, look for the model that we just downloaded. And basically from there, that's how you go ahead and change or use the SVG image in a print in Bambu Studio. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.